As you can see, guys, the suspension got all dusty from working in the garage, and yeah, the garage is a mess, the car is a mess, everything needs a good scrub and clean. And in order to do that, we need to put on the wheels on the car, which we have restored in a previous episode. If you haven't seen that one yet, please make sure to check it out. The results are really nice, as you can see here, and the link is up above. Other than that, let's put the wheels on the car and try to take it outside, give it a wash. We'll see if the weather will allow us to do it. Right now it's raining, but yeah, let's start with putting on these wheels. Guys, the car is on the ground. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. It looks really good. I was worried the rear will be too high, but it's fresh suspension and it sits really well. Barely 2 fingers go in, and it will settle even more a little bit and it will look amazing. The fitment is really nice. Tucks away right under the arch. The front is a little high, but I think it will settle. We can fit 3 fingers in. No, but looks really good. I mean, I'm so happy. It's been so long time since this car been on the ground. Cannot wait to pull it outside in the daylight, wash it, and see how it looks. Okay, the next thing, I want to install the rear M Technic skirt on the back here, and in order to do so we need to quickly take off this metal bumper off, and then I'll take it with me home, and then we'll assemble it, everything put together, and then we'll slap it back on as one unit. So yeah, let's get cracking. So guys, I have brought the bumper back home, more or less arranged it how I'm going to be working here, and basically the way it works, it's this rubber molding that goes on top here. Typically it clips in with special clips for these clips, and that's it. But on M Technic bumper, it uses these kind of square bolts that get fed through the rubber, and then the nut gets tightened on the back of it. So the rubber strip and the apron and the metal bumper is assembled now. Obviously not the final assembly. It's all loose for now. I need to throw it on a car in order to adjust everything, and then we need to spray some wax inside here so it doesn't rust, or at least stops the rust process. And yeah, we'll tighten everything, and I think that will be the it for the bumper. So I think next thing, let's go ahead and slap it on the car. So good. Okay, let's see if we can put this bad boy in. So I put the bumper on. It's lining up fairly good, I have to say so myself. I think it will sandwich very well. The only thing that doesn't line up, which is a bit annoying, is the exhaust tips. As you can see, they should be moved quite a bit to the left, and we'll see what we will do there. Maybe I can adjust it a little bit, but I doubt it will be that much. Other than that, everything fits very nicely, aligns very well, so to speak, and obviously I cannot reach the nuts now to sandwich everything together, so I'll quickly take it off, tighten everything together, and then slap it back onto the car for good. And yeah, I think in the end it will be really nice. As per the end pieces, guys, as you can see, these are the two different types. So this is the M Technic one. Here's the part number. I will also put it into the description. And this is the standard non-convertible end piece. And basically they are different. As you can see, the one that goes for the M Technic is a bit shorter. And that's the only difference. Other than that, they are the same. And as you can see here, the point where we need to modify the standard one is just simply by cutting along this ridge here. So this is what I'm planning to do next. I'm just gonna simply cut this off, and we'll use this piece instead, because this one is the original one that came with the car, and it's in a really sad shape. It's damaged a little bit, and then this is the better one. The other one doesn't have this part at all, so yeah, it's trash. And this one is in much better condition. So I found another modification that has to be done, and as you can see on the standard end piece, there's the material here, whereas on the M Technic one, you see it's out, it's cut out all the way to the back, and this is done so that when we're installing it, the one piece can slide back and one piece can slide into this opening here. And here we have it the other side, looking good. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna be, and now I think we are almost ready to install this permanently onto the car. And there we have it, guys. The bumper is on and the fitment is quite good. I'm quite happy with everything except for one thing, which is this bumper strip. And I know that originally there should be like a strip, additional strip going in here, and I don't have it, and it's no longer available. And yeah, I don't know what and where I can find, but we will see, because you see there's quite a big gap actually here, and maybe with time and some sun and yeah, it will rest into place. I doubt it though, but yeah, that's the only kind of thing. And there we have it, guys. This is how the bumper looks in daylight. It looks really nice. I'm really happy. Really good. As for the front bumper, I think I need to wait until the next episode, because I'm missing some screws, special screws, in order to assemble it fully, but it looks good so far. I think this is a good stopping point for this video, guys. Guys, I have received the bolts and nuts to put this bumper together, so let's do it. What we have here, guys, is the M Technic front apron, and yeah, I had to do small repairs for the fog light fixing points, or the adjustment points. Let me see if I can show you. As you can see here, I had to use some polyurethane epoxy in order to fix this point here that basically allows the regulation of the angle, the tilt angle of the fog light. Other than that, it's in fairly good shape. Somebody had this bumper on a turbo car and has cut the air ducts here. There should be like another 5 cm piece here. I don't think it really matters. Other than that, it's in good shape. I got it repainted professionally. Down there I have a metal bumper, which we will try to assemble now together with the apron and see how it looks. This is the standard non-M Technic trim piece, the corner one, and we had to modify it slightly. So originally there's a little ear here that I have cut off, so it doesn't interfere with the plastic skirt. I believe we also have to cut the lower leg here, otherwise it also interferes. And yeah, other than that, it's pretty much a standard, but it is slightly different. I gave it a coat of paint. It turned out amazing. It looks brand new. Typically we would have these type of clips that would slide into these slots like that, and then they would clip into the metal bumper. However, with the M Technic, I guess you could reuse these ones, but according to the real OEM, we have these nuts that have to slide into these slots instead, and then they get tightened and sandwiches everything together really nice, and basically that's all that holds it together. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue assembling this bumper and see how it turns out. have some side skirts from for the car here with me. Let me know, guys, if you want me to make a video on how to repair this polyurethane plastic, because I'm planning to do it off camera and install the side skirts off camera, just to save a bit of time here, move quicker. But yeah, we can see the tabs, they need some love. The fixing point here at the front, where the bolt should go through, got ripped out. So yeah, they do need some love. Other than that, looking good. The bumper assembled very nice. I'm really happy with how it is. I still need to install the covers for the bolts, but other than that, really nice. So this will be the end to this video, guys. So if you liked it, consider subscribing, like the video, share, comment below, and yeah, I'll see you next time with another one. Thank you and bye bye.